1. Complex decisions in AI often involve multiple conflicting objectives. 2. Genetic algorithms are a type of optimization technique that mimics the process of natural selection. 3. Bayes' theorem is used in AI for updating beliefs based on new evidence. 4. Heuristic algorithms guarantee finding the optimal solution for complex problems. 5. In complex decision-making, a trade-off refers to gaining benefits without any associated costs. 6. The primary goal of making complex decisions in AI is to simplify decision-making processes. 7. Complexity in making complex decisions introduces ambiguity and challenges in decision outcomes. 8. The term heuristic in making complex decisions refers to a simplified rule or strategy for decision-making. 9. Trade-offs in making complex decisions reduce the number of variables in decision-making. 10. Making complex decisions commonly leverages probabilistic models to handle uncertainty. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.